There's Jack.
There! Joking.
Silly twit. You dropped my phone, Jack.
Is you recording?
Yeah, too bully.
Oh, I got pins and needles. I just put my feet in the water.
You'd laugh. One coming at your toes.
That's alright.
I wish I'd videoed that, Jack.
What were you trying to do with your phone?
I don't know. How did it suddenly, what did it do? Just suddenly jump off?
It literally just popped out of the water. Like a whale or something.
Yeah. What's that song by Queen? Isn't it?
That does not sound normal.
Beautiful, aren't
See how these days then. Bears. Bears!
They're taller than you.
Don't say Sherlock.